Hi, my name is Megan Moore, and for the video essay question we had to make a basic outline. So I already messed up in my first video. So this is my basic outline of my guy, and I have to point out each gland and a hormone it produces along with its function. So I started off with, this is his brain right here, and in it is the pituitary gland, which is located underneath the hypothalamus. And if we take a closer look, the purple is the anterior pituitary gland. And so the hormone I picked out for the anterior pituitary gland is the follicle stimulating hormone. And what that does is, for the females, it stimulates the maturation of eggs, which are located in the ovaries, and it stimulates the production of estrogen. And in the males, it stimulates the production of sperm. And in the blue, this is our posterior pituitary gland, and it has two hormones it produces. It produces oxytocin and the antidiuretic hormone. So oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions during child labor or birth, and the antidiuretic hormone, ADH, it stimulates the kidneys to reabsorb more water, which reduces urine output. Alright, so the next gland I had to point out right here, this butterfly shaped outline in red, is the thyroid gland, and that produces two hormones as well. So the first one I am going to talk about is the thyroid hormone, or TH, and that consists of thyroxine, T4, or triiodothyronine. I believe I pronounced that right. So right here I wrote thyroxine and triiodothyronine, and those together, their functions are to increase the basal metabolic rate, and they aid in tissue growth. And then the second hormone that the thyroid gland produces is calcitonin. And what this hormone does is that it lowers blood calcium levels. Alright, so the next thyroid gland, the next gland I had to point out, right here, the blue dots inside the butterfly shaped inside the thyroid, that is the parathyroid gland, and that produces the parathyroid hormone, or you can label it as PTH, and that will increase the blood calcium levels. Alright, so the next gland I had to point out is right here. This long, funny looking pink thing is the pancreas gland, and that produces two hormones. It produces insulin, and we all know that insulin lowers blood sugar levels along with glucagon. Glucagon will increase blood sugar levels. The next gland I had to point out is the adrenal gland, which is on top of the kidneys right there. And so those, I had to name two hormones for that one. So the adrenal cortex has layers, and so I named out two layers. The first layer, which is the outermost layer, is the zona glomerulosa, and that one produces mineral corticoids. And mineral corticoids, we could say like aldosterone. So what aldosterone does is raises sodium levels in the blood. zone right here. I have it written down for you. Mineral corticoids such as aldosterone, and that raises sodium levels in the blood. And then the second one, which is the middle layer I named out, is the zona vesiculata, and that one will produce glucocorticoids like cortisol. Corticoids like cortisol. So what glucocorticoids do, like cortisol, they help provide resistance to stress and promote metabolism of fat and protein. All right, that's all. Thank you.